Hello everyone, I want to explain how to install Python and also how to run Python programs in our mobiles. In case if you use Android mobile, just you can search the particular app in your Play Store. In case if you are using Windows, if you are using iOS or Apple operating system, just you have to search in Apple Play Store. Just you have to search for coding Python. So this is the app, coding Python app. So just click on install option. This is very good app for practicing Python programs. You can practice all type of programs in this app. Suppose if you are not having laptops or desktops, don't worry, you can easily practice Python programs with this app. Just you have to open your app. So this is the Python coding app. Just here you can save your files and also run your files. Just I have to enter some small program. So just I want to write the code for biggest of two numbers. So same program. So read the a value, at the same time read the b value. After reading a value and b value, try to find the which is the maximum value, either a value or b value. So just you can use max function, a comma b. So if the a value is bigger than b, it returns b. If b value is bigger than a, it returns b value. So this is the program. Now if you want to run the code, just click on run button. Just it will ask you to enter the a value first. Now here you have to enter the a value 5. Enter b value 6. So which is the biggest value? 6 is the biggest value. So 6. So then after completing it, if you want to save this file, just go to menu, save as. So what is the program? Big program. So just save as big. So you can also save this program in your mobile easily. Suppose if you want to enter a new file, just click open. So click open is nothing but if you want to open existing file, you can use open. So if you want to clear this screen, just click clear. And again you have to enter the another program. So this is the very good app for practicing Python programs. Thank you, students.